Hi everyone, this is Leon here. Just went shopping and bought a new tool. Okay, actually I bought it from just across our training center here, and it's called a soldering iron. It's very cheap. It's only like $6 here. Got the receipt. But I believe you can actually get it cheaper. You know, I went to Google online and I saw Shopee selling for like $3 or something like that. So it's a very cheap tool. Now this is a quite useful tool. What you can it's a very useful tool. This is what you can use it for. You can actually use it to poke holes into your pots. So for those of you who have attended our class before, you will know that we have holes on the side of our cups as well as the bottom. I'm not sure you can see the hole here. It's a tiny hole here. Side as well as the bottom. So we recycle the cups, we add holes to it so that there's drainage. At the same time, we add holes to it at the side so that there's some aeration from the side. Yeah. So how do you use this tool? By the way, this can also be used for a normal pot. When you heat it up, you can actually poke holes on the side of the pots. But of course, it'll be melted plastic, so please do it outdoor, don't do it indoor. How do you use this? Very simple, just plug this into the power pole onto the plastic because the metal will get very hot. Never touch the metal over here. And when it's get hot, just touch, and then you have all the holes everywhere. So a very cheap investment, $6, and you can increase the airflow within your pots, in all your pots. So it's a good investment. Okay, now I just want to share with you my, not new toy, the tool that I bought. So it's a good investment. Okay, thank you. Bye.